chess to life.
Hi guys, it's Coach Ants here with another fast, fun-paced edition of Chess Battles. Yeah guys, you know what it is. Please like, share, subscribe, help us grow the channel. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get into a game. Right. Here we go. What have we got? 1e4. Let's kick it off, guys. Let's see what we'll have today. Okay. Yes, indeed. It looks like a Sicilian. And it's just 60 seconds. Bullet style. With just 2 seconds. That means there may be lots of mistakes. All right, let's take that. Lots of tricks. Lots of bait. All right, what do I want to do here? Let's get my horsey out. I want to get my bishop developed. Get my king in the bunker room. Rook developed. Let's not let them have any pins, eh? No pins today. But I don't mind a pin. I want them to move the minion down. Okay, they're not going to do it. So let's be a pest with our bishop. Get my other rook to the bunker. Oh gosh, just gave, no I haven't. Yeah I have. Thought I just gave away a minion, but I did. No, I didn't. Haha, your bishop had responsibilities as well. How you like me now? How you like me now? That's right. Oh, you want a swapsy, eh? Don't think I mind the swapsy. Let's bring my queenie into the game. Right, so we've got some potential targets. And this is what no, it doesn't work. So let's set up something, a little horrible. Let's set up something horrible. What we want to do is we want to sack our rook here. If they take us back, our queen comes crashing in with backup from the bishop. And that will lead to checkmate. Checkmate. I love it, said it feels so great. Are we going to get what we're after? That is the question. I think we may get what we're after. So let's go for it. Crash. Crash and burn. What do you want to take? If you take my horsey, my rook will just take you. And if you do that, we're in and there's mate. Yeah! They took the bait. Yes, checkmate. Woohoo! Woohoo! We love it.
On your marks when you're ready, let's get it. Checkmate. I love it, said it feels so great. It's another chess battle that will captivate. Tick tock, the time won't wait, so you're gonna think fast. Don't take the bait. Focus, visualize, concentrate. Crush them, make the king abdicate. Animate is the channel that we advocate. Animate is the channel that we advocate.
That was a crushing. That's what we love about the bait, guys. The bait was so good. Oh, that was so good. That was so good. Just, yeah. This is a typical type of idea where we sack our rook and then our bishop and queen work together and it's automatic checkmate. Not easy to be seen. So those are definitely the type of tricks that we want to learn. If you can get that in your game, it's amazing. Because no matter what happened, once they took the bait, it was an automatic checkmate. We love it. Okay, on to the next, guys. Ooh, lovely start. Let's see how we're going to get in. We're going to have, so that's 1 out of 3. Can we get some more? Let me get some more. All right. While we wait for our opponent. Yeah. What's happening? Don't run away, guys. It's only a bit of fun. Okay, let's get it. Right. Ooh, we're going to have a queen h5. Are we going to have fun? Okay, let's go for the cheeky checkmate. It's never going to work. Now, ooh, they might be trying to trap me. There's a little trick here. So let's open up the door for the bishop. I knew they were trying to trap me. No. And now their bishop's going to come out. to attack me. Yeah, this is a bit tricky. But their bishop should come out to attack me. It makes the move that makes the most sense. They get to develop a piece. King will be in the bunker room soon. And they don't do it that way. So let's just retreat because we have to retreat. Let's not allow any nonsense with their knight looking to come here and give me forks. No, we're going to stop that. Oh no, we haven't stopped it. Because they can still chop me. Okay, no. We're not going to let it happen. It's not going to happen. See, if that's what you're thinking, you need to give up. Give up that idea. Give it up. All right. Oh, they're really going for it, aren't they? So, do you know what? But we've got a knight that further protects this. So if that's what you're after, it really won't work. I'm telling you. They're trying. Oh, but now the knight can come here. But does that bother me? Not really. Okay, what do we need to do here? Chippity choppity. If they take me, how bad is that? If they take me. I think move my queen out of the danger zone. If they really want to take me, I don't mind. I'm going to get my king in the bunker room and I will definitely chop that horsey. Definitely will chop that horsey. Create some weaknesses. Oh, their time's running. Tick tock, the time won't wait. So let's make the horsey go back in reverse. Go in reverse, horsey. Go back where you came from. That's right. Then I can get a chippity choppity. Oh, but their rook's gonna come after me. No, just get my king in the bunker room. Their rook can come after me, I don't mind. Yeah, then my queen gets out of dodge. And then I need to sort this out. Open some doors for my rooks. Ooh, the queen can come in. Their queen never got a chance to come in because tick-tock, the time won't wait. Absolutely, guys. So, you know what it is.
On your marks when you're ready, let's checkmate. I love it, said it feels so great. It's another chess battle that will captivate. Tick-tock, the time won't wait. So you're gonna think fast, don't take the bait. Focus, visualize, concentrate. Crush them, make the king abdicate. Animate is the channel that we advocate. Animate is the channel that we advocate.
Okay, guys. As we like it, another crushing. Well, we say it's a crushing. It was not as great as the first crushing. That was a superb crushing. But here, sometimes it's difficult. Remember, it's only 60 seconds. It's fast pace. Tick-tock, the time won't wait. So you've got to think fast. All right. So, there we go. We've got Team Black for the last one. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's get it. Let's keep it rolling. Oh, no, I meant to stop their bishop from coming in. Let's get the horsey into where it belongs. If you really want to take my minion, I don't mind. Let's put some more pressure on this minion. Let's see what's going to happen. Yeah. Okay. Yes. We'll take that minion. And get our bishop out. Get the king in the bunker room. My horsey wants to go to this square. Put some pressure on this minion. How are they going to defend that? Oh, no, they can defend it. So let's get this bishop going. Let's get the queen to put some more pressure. Or the horsey first. No, maybe the queen. Not sure. Yeah, then see where their bishop's going. And now their bishop can't stay there. Because I've got a horsey. Then I think we'll take this. And now comes the troublesome part. What do I need to do here? What do I need to do? Stop this minion from coming forward? Yeah, I think so. No, it will come forward anyway. Yeah, I don't like this. Don't like it. I think I need to protect this minion here. Because these minions come forward, then the horsey will come crashing in. And that will be the end of my... I think a little swapsy here shouldn't be bad. Yeah, definitely shouldn't be bad because now this minion is not protected. Offer a swapsy with the queens. What? 20 seconds? Nah, got to move faster. But okay, I think we solved our problems now. Let's kick that out. Tell them get away. See where the bishop goes now. Don't think I'm too bothered. Yeah, they want to do that, so let's defend it across the rank like this, so our rooks can still do stuff. I mean, rooks. Yeah, I'm right. Oh, swapsies all day long, my friend. I'll take those. And then I just need to open up the door for my bishop, and yeah, we're starting to look okay. So let's open up the door for the bishop. Then we're going to look to trade. And then we should be okay. Yeah, once we get the trade in, we should be okay. Then my rook becomes free. Go after their minion. Try to get them on the defensive. Yeah, I think this works. And then we go this way round and we look to pick up this minion at the right moment, especially if their king comes across. Get my king in a half decent place. Oh no, that was so silly, and now you gave him back a minion. That was so silly. You give them back a minion. I messed it all up. Give me a minion. I want one. Oh no, then they protect it. Ah! I'm really messing up, aren't I? Now I want to get back here. Give me a minion. Or give me that minion. Give me something. Ah, man. Is this going to be a draw? I think I might have to take a draw. Hell no. Let's try and be tricky. It might cost me, but let's try and be tricky. Come after this one. Chickadee. Yeah, and now we can... I think we got a minion now. Yes. Try and be tricky. Yay! Mignon! Mignon. And now we get a rook swap. Hey! We've won this game. It's all over. Resignation incoming. Then we grab this minion. Then the minions run. And then we say, what are you going to... And actually, we even free the other minion. And there we go. Yes. I was a pest at the right time. Pest, I am. Now they're going to try and run. Anytime they try that, we're gonna go speeding. If the only idea they've got is to come after my minions, it's going to cost 1, 2, 3, 4 moves, 5 moves. Yeah, by that time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moves, we know what's going to happen. So, yep, victory. We love victory. Just for me. Okay, let's cue it.
On your marks when you're ready, let's checkmate. I love it, said it feels so great. It's another chess battle that will captivate. Tick tock, the time won't wait, so you're gonna think fast, don't take the bait. Focus, visualize, concentrate. Crush them, make the king abdicate. Animate is the channel that we advocate. Animate is the channel that we advocate.
Okay, you awesome guys. I tell you what. That was real fun. I really enjoyed that. Bullet style, 60 seconds with 2 seconds back increment every time you move. Hope you were able to learn something from that, guys. One thing about this game, which was important just before I go, was that at this moment here, I think we were here, I could have just continued to repeat the moves, but I thought, you know what, let me just go for it. Let me create a new problem where basically the person thinks that, you know, you've just got to settle for a draw, and then all of a sudden you give them a new challenge. What are you going to do? And that's what managed to get us in and swap the rooks, and this was just a wrap. All right, guys. As I said, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, help us grow the channel, guys. And I'll see you all, you wonderful people, on the next edition of Chess Battles. Take care, guys. Bye.
Animate, bringing chess to life.